What's up everyone, I'm Andrew, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can very easily and without any kind of hard work and customization customize your checkout pages. So in another tutorial we talked about cart flows, a very good plugin that allows you to create checkout pages using Elementor or use any kind of default template. So we talked about it, and here I have it installed. So if I just bring cart flows, we're not going to talk about cart flows. We have a tutorial completely dedicated to cart flows, but you can see that we can easily create checkout pages using any kind of page builder, usually with Elementor. But the problem with this plugin is that it's not really easy to create something cool with Elementor or any kind of page builder. And also the free templates are not that astonishing, but here I'm just going to show you a new plugin that I really like. So I'm just going to disable cart flows and bring plugins and add new, and I'm just going to search for checkout page. So we can just hopefully find this new plugin, and it's here actually on the top, Fluid Checkout. I really like this plugin, so I can just install it and activate it. So here we have it, of course, and if I just bring my website, my store, and click on one of the products and add to cart and view cart and finally checkout, you can see that we already have a new look here. So I disabled cart flows, and this Astra theme is not using any default checkout. So this is what the plugin is giving us, and to see actually the result without the plugin, if I just bring plugins and just simply disable it and bring the product and checkout page again, you can see that this is the default WooCommerce checkout. So this is what you get by default in any kind of theme. It's the ordinary checkout page. But when we activate the Fluid Checkout plugin, you can see that we get this new look, which is really nice. We have this fixed order summary here, and also we have steps. So we are in step 2 of free, so that's super cool. But you can turn off the steps if you do not want, and if you want to have a single checkout page. So you have to bring WooCommerce and settings, and here we have a new section, Fluid Checkout. And first we have the option to either choose multi-step or single step. So I can just click on single step and save changes. And now if I refresh my page, we get this single page checkout. So that's really looking nice. So we have it here. We can of course add a custom logo, and if you just look, we are not getting the menus here or the footers. That's something that you might like it or not like it, and you can just change it. So by default you are getting Fluid Checkout header and footer, which is just this, and of course you can just change the logo. But if you want to have your default footer and header, then you can just click on this Use Themes page header and footer and save changes. And now if I refresh, you can see that we get the themes header and footer. It's really up to you. I don't have any opinion. The Fluid Checkout header is somehow nice because it's removed distractions, but again, it's based on your website. So if you're using Fluid Checkout header and footer, then of course you can set a logo and also footer background color and header background color. So I can just, for example, give it a green color and save changes. And now we get this as the result. So you have the freedom here to change them. Also, you can turn off or turn on the checkout progress bar for the multi-step layout. And you also have some options here. For example, make the checkout progress bar stay visible by scrolling, or make the order summary stay visible. So you have these two options here, and also some other options for hiding or showing some elements on the page. And also you can hide the shipping phone or make it optional or required. And also for the shipping method, you can have it before the shipping address or after the shipping address. And also for the coupon codes, you can have it as a sub-step or just on the page. And also you can make the orders optional or hidden. So you have some options for editing the fields, but they are very basic. But the power of this plugin is that it just creates a very beautiful and responsive layout by default. So you do not have to do anything. And the layout just looks very decent, and that's super awesome. So that's it, everyone. This was a short tutorial on using this plugin if you do not have time for creating a full checkout page using Elementor, and this is just very nice, very cool. So that's it, and thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.